Okay, so today we're going to be creating this cute little bulldog, and you are actually going to choose between that bulldog, this cute little bulldog, or this little bulldog. So you will choose your bulldog, and we are going to create some lines and patterns on our bulldog, and we're going to rainbow color him, and then we are going to be cutting him out and gluing him on black paper. You actually have two different size markers today, so you can choose a thick Sharpie, a thin Sharpie, or use both. I like both. I like to do both. So you can have a thick line, or you can have a thin line. And you're going to put all kinds of different things in your bulldog. Whatever you want to do. It is your bulldog. So maybe I want to do some zigzags, some loop-de-loos, some swirls. You can do whatever you want. It is your bulldog. When you're done, you are actually going to create almost like puzzle pieces of color, because you're going to put little patches. So maybe I want green there. Maybe I want some yellow here. You're going to create almost like puzzle pieces. Maybe some orange here. I want this part orange. And then when you've created all your puzzle pieces, you're going to go back in and color. And you're going to rainbow color him. And when you are done, it should look about like this. You're just going to have little patches of different colors all over your bulldog that has patterns and designs. You are then going to cut him out. Remember, you want to use your best coloring. When we glue, remember to go around the edges. So you would flip it over, go around the edges, put it down. Remember, we turn our paper over and we massage the back. You get to take these today. When you are done, you get to take these with you. So have fun.